Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Honda PCX150 motor scooter. This has electric start, automatic transmission, fuel injected, liquid cooled, beautiful condition. This bike has only 475 miles. Beautiful satin black with a bit of metallic in the finish. 2-passenger motor scooter, freeway legal with 150 cc's. Just like new. Price to sell at just $24.99. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. That thing takes off. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.